Guardian now, and WhatsApp going to court to fight against spyware, Nick.
Oh, yeah. Now, this is a very important story because any man in a WhatsApp group knows we could all go to jail. So we don't want any WhatsApps to get out. So this is US Supreme Court lets WhatsApp group pursue Pegasus spyware lawsuit. And it's a debate over whether this NSO are doing something dodgy or helpful. Now, they say that they've helped sort of capture terrorists and they had information on the Khashoggi incident and things like this. But
that's the journalist from the Washington Post who was murdered in Saudi Arabia, yeah.
But the argument against is, well, you shouldn't be spying on people via WhatsApp. And basically the Supreme Court have upheld the lawsuit, saying that you can't get immunity just because their argument was that they were acting as an agent for an unidentified foreign government, which sounds worse to me. It's like, hey, guys, we were just acting as agents for governments we've never seen or heard of.
Like working for Spectre.
Yeah, we don't even know who it is.
Pegasus spyware is pretty serious stuff because it can get into your phone, it can turn itself on and film things without your knowledge, it can listen in without your knowledge, all sorts. It can send messages without your knowledge.
Yeah, and it's been used to spy on and persecute lots of people. I mean, notably, they do mention Jamal Khashoggi, who's killed by the Saudi government in the consulate in Istanbul. He was murdered. It was recorded and relayed back to Mohammed bin Salman, I believe, who listened to the guy having his fingers cut off and stuff like that. So NSO, this Israeli group that made this spyware, they're culpable in that. And there's never been the excuse that they're trying to use has never been used to sort of to get round a court appearance before.
Right.
So I think they definitely should be, even though the governments that are prosecuting them have probably used this software as well.
Yeah, I think I messed up the Khashoggi point because I made it sound the other way around. It's other things, like there was an investigation into Islamic State and they said they were using this stuff and it's useful in that case.
That's the problem, I think, with governments using this kind of technology, is that it doesn't stop there, does it? And it always gets into the wrong hands ultimately.